Welcome back to Sho Academy. Now listen, today's session is about 1-mark questions. You might be thinking, 1 mark? That's it? Why give it a whole session? Well, let me ask you this. If we can take the mark, why would we leave it? Actually, the real mission behind this session isn't just that single mark. It's about building a pattern of thinking and a rationale for answering every type of question you'll face. And that's my concept. To train you not just to answer, but to think like a scientist and act with strategy. Today, we're unlocking your conclusion writing master key. And I'm building it based on real analysis from years of Cambridge mark schemes to give you a smart, foolproof method for writing conclusions that never miss. So, ready to claim every mark with logic, precision, and confidence? Let's master the state a conclusion question like a pro. Here's your golden rule. Always link the independent variable to the dependent variable, not the concept. That's the easiest way to score the mark. But wait, why does Cambridge sometimes accept linking independent variable to the concept being investigated, and sometimes no? Here's the trick. Cambridge says, you must link independent variable to dependent variable. But they allow you to link it to the concept if the dependent variable is clearly quantified over time, as number of bubbles per minute, volume of gas per second, time taken for reaction. So for example, rate of photosynthesis, it is the concept. Number of bubbles per minute, it is the dependent variable. Both of these are valid. So conclusions like, increasing light intensity increases the number of bubbles formed, is accepted. Increasing light intensity increases the rate of photosynthesis, is also accepted. Both get the mark. As long as the dependent variable clearly reflects the concept, Cambridge allows it, even in state a conclusion. But now let's flip it. Effect of temperature on vitamin C diffusion. The concept here is vitamin C diffusion. The dependent variable is volume of dCPIP used. You'll see in the mark scheme. Accept this conclusion, more dCPIP is used at higher temperature, while that vitamin C diffuses faster at higher temperature is not mentioned. Why? Because there is no time data, no rate, and you can't claim faster diffusion. So, how do you avoid this trap? Easy. Always link the independent variable to the measured dependent variable. That's always correct, always accepted, always safe. Here's one more trick to always catch the conclusion mark. It's called the comparison format, and sometimes writing the trend. Use comparison format if the experiment compares different tissues, different species, or different treatments. You're not just describing one result, you're showing which one wins. Examples: potato has more catalase activity than apple. Seeds show the highest enzyme activity. Now, what if your data shows a trend, like increasing values, falling times, or changing patterns? Then use what I call writing the trend. Give both the direction and the detail. Examples: as temperature increases, more CO2 is produced. As the concentration increases, the time taken decreases. Don't be vague. Use your power words. Increases or decreases. More or less. Faster or slower. Greater or smaller. These are your Cambridge-friendly keywords. Drop them in, and the mark is yours. Whether you're linking variables, comparing treatments, or writing a trend, now you know how to craft a conclusions that Cambridge loves. Just remember, always link the independent variable to the actual dependent variable observed. Use comparison when relevant. If trend, start with, as the independent variable increases or decreases. Choose the right keywords, more, less, faster, greater, shorter time. Stay in observation mode. No explanations unless asked. You're not just writing a sentence, you're scoring a mark with precision. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe, and drop your trickiest conclusion question in the comments. I'll break it down for you show style. Now go claim that conclusion mark, and I'll see you in the next one. Let's finish paper 6 strong.